So I'm growing some coleus from seed, and they are looking just beautiful. Everything is looking gorgeous. It's going to be a few more weeks before I can plant these outside, and I don't want them to get too leggy, and so I'm going to go ahead and pinch them back. I've already done a couple. I'm going to show you pinching this one. You can see already where it branches out at each of these nodes. It's branching out down here as well, and I'm just going to pinch back this very top piece so that it will branch out from here, and it won't get too leggy, and it'll stay nice and bushy. So I just take my scissors in there, snip it off, and that's it. It seems kind of painful to do, but new growth will form right there at that node, and it'll make a much fuller plant with lots more of this beautiful foliage. I'm also going to see if I can root these guys in some water that I snipped off. Really, you should have a longer stem to root. You should probably have at least 2 of these nodes. You'll remove the leaves and have at least 2 of them, whereas I will only have 1 that will be submerged in water. But I'm going to give it a shot. Can't hurt anything, right? So we'll see how that goes.